Hello, this is a video how to use SwanValley Wedding Office CMS. First thing, you need to go to swanvalleyweddingoffice.com.au/WP admin. Then you click enter. It will take you to the login details over here. And now you can put over here the username and the password we have provided to you. So the username and the password, for example, this is what we gave you before. Now click login. Over here, this is called dashboard. On the dashboard, there is on the left hand side pages, posts, media, and users. These are the most important things that you need to know. Let's start with pages. In pages, there is all the text or the pages that we have created already for you on the website. For example, let's go to the Just Marry Us package, but it's only by clicking on Just Marry Us package on the title. On the title over here, there is the page. Underneath the picture of the page, underneath the picture, Just Marry Us as the title, H1, and a text. As you see, this one is an editor. The editor over here is same as the Word document editor. There's a minor difference. To expand more options, click on toolbar toggle. Over here you can see heading 1, heading 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, pre and paragraph. We use for all the text paragraph, and for this one a H1. It cannot be more than one H1 in the page, because it will make an issue for Google to see your website. Because Google, if Google saw two H1s, that will be a duplication, and Google will drop down your website. There is underline, justify, text color. Click here, or custom. You can choose the color that you want. Paste as text. This is for if you have a Word document and you want to paste what is inside the Word document, not without any customization or any color. You just click paste as a text. Anything else, for example, if you have a Word document, let's add a new Word document. Hold on. There is bold here, there is italic, there is strike through, there is bullet list, there is numbered list. Sorry, yeah. If you have a Word document and you have a text inside the Word document, or in a PowerPoint, or in an email, or anything, anywhere, if you have in the text like the text color, or the text bold, or italic, or anything, when you paste that text, it will paste exactly as you've put it on that website. Let's make a project over here and put some text inside this project. Let's go over here and put any text we want. Let's put like this text, for example. Let's put a color for the text and bold, and let's copy this and put it here. It will come bold. The color will not show except on the website, but it will come in bold and colored. To avoid doing that, you can copy this and click paste as a text. Click OK. Now you can do like this, paste as a text, and it will not affect anything. As you see, no bold, no color. Alright. After all of the changes are made, there is a update button on the top right hand side. There is here edit public to make it visible to the public. Edit published is to make it published or a draft. There is a pending review and draft. The edit public, there is password protected. You can put a password for that page, private and public. And there is after all of that, you click OK, then you click update. I'm not going to click update right now because we don't need to make any changes for a current page. If you want to create a new page, just click on add a new on the left hand side. Over here you put the page title. For example, let's put test. You can put the text here, any text for you that you want. You can put make it align right, center, left, justified, heading to. But as we said before, that it's not good to put a heading for a page. Bold, italic, listed. This is the bullet list. This is a numbered list. And this is underlined, colored, and this is called clear formatting. All the formatting you have put to be off. Alright. Right now, let's try to put a picture, add a picture to the page. Over here onto the top left, there is Add Media. Click on Add Media. Now you can select any file that you want from your computer by clicking on Select File and choose a JPG or PNG picture. Anything else, for example, if there was a PDF or there was a Photoshop, or if there was any type of other files, it will cause an issue. For example, as you see here, it doesn't show that this is a picture or a file or anything. It should have at the end of it .png, .jpg, same this one, and .gif like this, .gif, and that's all what you can add. If you don't want to if you have many files and you don't want to select them by clicking on select file, you can go to your folders, go to select all the files that you want. For example, this one, and drop them here. It will take them immediately. As you see on the right hand side, there's 340 and 300. This is the dimension of each of the pictures. Please make sure that the dimensions and the size of the picture less than 2 megabyte, because anything more than megabyte WordPress won't accept it. If you want to delete a picture, just click on the picture and click delete permanently and click OK. Now if you want to insert a picture, click on the picture, click here or here, then click insert, and the picture is over here. Any pictures that you add, it will have an attachment. This attachment will cause an issue with the SEO. So all what you need to do is click remove link, or if you want to link it to another page, click on this and then put the page link. We prefer that you don't link it to anywhere and keep it like this. If you want to customize your image, click on edit and customize the image, right, center. This is the text in the image. You can edit the original image and make the scale, for example, 300 pixel or 100 pixel or 1000 pixel, and then click scale. You can crop the image. For example, you can do like this. Just drag from the beginning and then until the end. Then you can click on the top left, crop. Sorry. Now you can rotate the image. You can click on flip you can click on the other flip. Anyway, on the right hand side there's thumbnail picture. This is all this modification will be all the sizes for the picture. The thumbnail picture is you can modify this one, for example, to put 150 pixel. This is called thumbnail. All big sizes except the thumbnail. So this is how to edit a picture. Let's go back. I click update, and this picture is updated now. Now let's try to publish this page. On the right hand side you see something called publish. Click on publish. Then click preview changes. As you see here, there's the picture showing the text. If you want to edit this page again, click on edit over here. Now you can go inside and delete whatever you want or add out whatever you want. On the right hand side there is move to trash. If you created a page and you think this page doesn't look good, you can click on move to trash. That will trash the whole page and you can create all over again. Now the page go to there is all published and trash. The page that we just deleted goes to trash. Please make sure that after it goes to trash you delete permanently. Now the page is deleted. Now let's take a look on users. Go to users on the left hand side, click all users. Over here the users that we have added on the website, and if you want to add a new user, click add a new. Now you can put here the username. Let's put for example Swan. Emails when, for example, this email, you can put the first name, SwanValley, website, swanvalley.com.au, and you can put the password. Please make sure the password here there is a strength indicator. For example, if I put this password that I just, as you see, it's strong. It's the same. Exactly this password is the same password that we provided to you. So over here it shows that this password is strong. Please make sure it's strong and add the characters, the upper cases, and that will ensure that your security for the page. Over here you can put the permissions for the user. There is a subscriber, coordinator, and author, editor, and administrator. The subscriber doesn't do anything. If you click subscriber, the subscriber will be just a normal user that that's not allowed to do anything. The contributor has the minimum access. He can only access the dashboard to see how many pages you have. He cannot add anything or edit anything. The author is allowed to add only posts. So if you have a blog, you can add any post. Adding posts is exactly the same of adding pages. It doesn't have any difference at all. But that is only if you have a blog link on your website. Editor is the one who can add pages and posts, and can add testimonials. Anything that has a page on your website, he can add it. Administrator has full access for everything. For example, here there is the code of under editor. There is the code of your website. Here the slider of your website. Here the responsive menu. All this stuff you can access by administrator. Now, if you want to add a user, click add new user. The user right now is added. It's just waiting for the refreshing. Okay. Now it's saying this email is already registered because we have created a user for you already underneath all the users. because we have created this user using SwanValley wedding at outlook.com. So if you want to add two users with the same email, you cannot. If you want to delete a user, you just click delete. To keep all of that user had, click on to keep everything that had, click attribute all content to and select the user. If you don't want anything that user added, click delete all content and then click confirm deletion. Right now we will like to delete anything. If you want to, now the last thing that we need to know is how to add a picture for the slider on the home page. Go to the left hand side, there is something called layer slider. In the layer slider there is all the sliders that we've created for SwanValley. This is the slider. Click on the slider or click on the picture. Now over here there is all the slides we have created for you. Well, what you need to do is to add a new slide. Click add a slide, then select an image. Select any image you want, but there is a specific dimensions to put on the slider. For example, your slider has 1040 420 pixel width and a height with 480. You cannot add a slider without we cannot add a slider image with a minimum dimensions. You cannot do that because it will be it wouldn't look good on your website. If you want to delete a slide, you can click on delete slide with a red button here. That's it. Then you can click the are you sure you want to remove this slide? Click OK. That's all. After you finish all the changes, click save changes, and your slider is okay to go now. Alright, that's all for SwanValley. Thank you for watching. Bye.